And this is the hardware that we're talking about. On the x-axis, you see increasing power and cost, and on the y-axis, it's essentially a compute measurement, which is FLOPS, called floating point operations per second. As they go up, power and cost typically goes up, and the microcontrollers are typically from few milliwatts, like 1 milliwatt to about 1 watt, and that's where your TinyML applications come in. And if it's taking more than 1 watt, like your Raspberry Pi, that's not TinyML. Raspberry Pi is about 5 watts depending on the application. And cell phone is definitely not TinyML. A cell phone is a powerhouse for TinyML kind of application. Raspberry Pi is again another powerhouse, and I'll give you an example as to differentiating their compute power. And then you have applications like smart car, which is hundreds of watts of power in that one vehicle, which has huge processing power. As good as remote server, if not more. Any questions so far, Dr. Piyush?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay.